Hey nail tubers, what is up, nailification squad? So listen, I thought this was recording and the whole time come to find out it wasn't. But I was showing you guys something, and this is not even about nails, but it's something that I have been wanting to do. So let me show you, because this package was already open. I'm just talking away thinking that it was recording. So you're gonna see that I've already kind of started opening it. Look guys, it's henna. I actually used to get this done years ago, and I know that there are some ladies on this channel and you guys do henna. So you know what, this caught my attention on Amazon when I was doing my last shopping. This was actually part of that last haul, but it came separately. It was delivered by itself. So I was like, when I saw it, it was pretty affordable, like $14. So I was like, you know what? And the different colors, guys. So I have been wanting to try this again. I don't have any tattoos, and I used to get the henna done. The girls used to do some pretty work too. I used to get the henna done like up one of the fingers and around the hand and up the forearm. And since I've been seeing it, I've been wanting to do this. So yeah, I don't even remember the name of this kit, but I did get it on Amazon. If you put in henna, it'll come up and you'll recognize it by the different colors that are part of the kit. And so I'm thinking I'm recording. I'm looking to download, ain't nothing there. So this is the kit, and let me show you what it comes with. It came in with this little bottle, and you know what? There's really no explanation to what everything is for. I would imagine this is either for, because it does say for you to wipe down with white vinegar. So maybe this is for that. My only other guess would be this is for oil, because, you know, when you need to wipe off what you didn't want to do, oil does that for them. It came with a few tips for the pens. So when you cut the tip open, you put these on. It came with a few of those. And it also came with a few like closure tips. So when you're done and it doesn't dry out. And the reason why I figured these are closure tips is because they're not pierced. They're not pierced. So that's for when you're done. It did come with some stencils, guys. Let me show you. And this is what I was doing when I thought I was recording. I was perusing through the stencils. Now, I'm not going to be using these if I were at all. I was saying that I would use that one probably, but I'm not going to use any. And I thought there was some pretty neat designs. Look at those lotus flowers. Look at the lips. So I'm really excited about this. Just something different and fun to do today, right? And then there's one at the bottom. Let me flip this. Superman. Look at the diamond, guys. So yeah, I'm going to do some henna. There is this little instruction booklet. I did read through it. All the pages really are just in different languages. So in the English part of it, it just tells you what to do. And I've already said to clean the skin off with white vinegar or lemon so that it'll help absorb. And then it just gives you instructions on how to use the template stencils. Nothing else. Now, henna is something that you should test. I did do a skin test. It didn't even record that. And you want to do it to make sure that you're not going to have an allergic reaction. So, and this is not where I want to put it. I'm going to do something, I don't know, maybe just my wrist. I'm going to decide in a few minutes. So yeah, guys, gonna do, I think it's called a Mendy design. Okay. So I'm going to move this aside and we're going to get started. I've even already snipped the tips of these. So let me just move them aside. And I also have my small cup of white vinegar. So I'm pretty much ready to go. What colors? I'm trying to decide on what colors to use too. So I'll decide that and I'll be right back. So I had to laugh at myself because I feel like I sounded like a little girl. What kind of color am I going to wear? But I just thought this was something fun and interesting to do. I've always wanted to do it for myself because, like I said, I did used to go and get it done. and the girls were so nice, and they were very artistic. Now I will say this, I am not a flowery girl. Maybe one simple flower design. I'll throw them on some nails though. I'll do like some 3D flowers, but yeah, I'm not really into flowers. I'm more into like geometric type things. So I plan to keep this as simple as possible. I'm still not even with the idea of a design because there's so many. There are so many. I couldn't choose an inspiration. What I did decide though is I'm going to use this traditional color ink, which is the dark brown. And I've really got to be honest, I have never seen people wearing henna designs with these colors, so I'm gonna tell you up front right now, I'm not really sure about them. I do plan to try either, I'm not gonna do any of the like blue or green. I'm gonna try either this pink or orange for the sake of the fact that they're bright colors, and I do want to see how they turn out, but that's really gonna be about it. The brown is going to be my primary color. So here we go, guys. I'm so scared. And I did test it. I did say that I wanted to try the pink, right? So let me see. This could be a good example of how to wipe it off, maybe. the end result, guys. So what happened actually was, this is a different type of a henna, and I'm sure it's because of the color of the henna. The mixture of it is different. I've heard that somewhere along the line, where I used to have the brown henna done, so it was always just the one color, and I thought this was brown because when I did the test, that's how it turned out. But it's a much darker ink. I left this on for about 20 minutes. It may have actually been a half hour because I was watching YouTube videos while I was waiting. But either way, it still came out black, and I'm surprised. And the color definitely surprised me. So this is just giving me all the more enthusiasm to try the other colors now, because I am sorry, I take my words back. I said I didn't really have high hopes on the colors, but it actually turned out. And I think it's cute enough just to wear for right now, right? What do you guys think? Let me know. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And please do tell me what you think of my little first time henna design. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. I have so much more for you guys ahead. I post regularly on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And don't forget Mask Finger on Wednesdays, guys. It's so much fun. And I also offer content on other random days, something like this. When you do subscribe, remember to hit the nailification bell, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.